Johnson, and we have Raul who are with us today, and he came all the way from Miami, Florida. Flew in yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yeah, and
Yesterday
has
afternoon.
come in this morning for his first treatment for hiatal hernia, acid reflux. And I told him this morning to eat anything and everything he wanted, which he did. He went out and ate a cheeseburger today, right? Some fries and milkshake.
Huge burger, fries.
And a milkshake.
A milkshake.
And he felt no problem
No problem.
after your very first treatment.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great. So has this been worth the trip from Miami too? So
Absolutely.
far?
Yes, sir.
And we're just getting started.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's show them how we did that. Okay,
right.
let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And then normal. I'm just checking his posture now. Now his head's translated a little bit forward to the right, and his pelvis is translated a little bit to the left of center. And we've shown him some mirror image exercises to do for that. Okay, Raul. So this afternoon, I'm going to decompress you.
All right.
I'm going to have you lay with your pelvis right here. So Raul's going to be our ring dinger of the day from Miami.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me get this. Now this is called the ring dinger, Raul, because I get everything.
Mm-hmm.
Slide up just a little bit more, where your pelvis is right under that pin. Yep, right there. Good. And then this will feel really tight. Yep. Slide down just a little bit this way. There you go. Now slide down this way just a little bit. There you go, right there. That's tight, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's tight.
You're not going to get away, are you?
No. I don't think so.
So we have people come here from all over the world to receive natural biomechanical correction of their thoracic spine and rib cage so that it can strengthen up their diaphragm enough to hold the stomach down below into the lower cavity where it's supposed to be in the abdomen, as opposed to slipping up through the hiatus into the esophagus. And another thing we talked to Raul about today was sleeping on his back just like this. So we're going to take a deep breath through your nose, Raul, and exhale, and just relax. Oh, yeah. There it is right there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't say, do you feel that all the way down for your benefit? I'm talking that for the patient's benefit. Did you feel that all the way
Oh,
down?
yeah, all the way down.
Okay.
Big time.
And yes, he's still kicking. Okay. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect. Oh, yeah. I can't talk while I'm popping your butt. Everybody gets on me. They like hearing the popping noises. All my crack addict fans are worldwide.
Oh, so you crack, right?
He has the good cracks, yeah. It's real good for you, huh?
Yeah.
Let's come over this way.
I felt it.
It's a lot of work for me, but it's real good for the patients.
I lay on my stomach.
Yeah, let me change this here first. There we go. Okay. Legs are even this evening. Yeah, it shortened up a little bit. That tighten up a little bit in your low back? Right at the very end?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So I'm going to start with his left SI joint. Then his right SI joint. We got our table fixed. It's a lot more significant in its drops now. And for all our YouTube fans out there watching, Raul, is this a lot deeper in person than what it looks on YouTube?
Mm-hmm. It
Yeah.
is. Big time.
It's a lot more significant, isn't it? There we go. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let me get one more. There it is. Yep, legs are even. Now this should feel easier this time. Yep,
Mm-hmm.
it stayed even that time too. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your cervical spine from the rear. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. It's as hot and humid in Miami as it is here in Houston, huh?
It is.
this is not unusual weather for them. Being here, they're used to hot and humid in Miami, and we have hot and humid in Houston today.
We feel at home.
Yep. There we go. There, let's slide down this way a little bit more. Okay, and your arms out like this. And you guys found this on YouTube, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Researching Hiatal hernia treatment. Very good.
I've been watching the videos for 2 years now.
3 years.
Yeah.
Wish you'd come 3 years ago?
No, I wish I had come before, yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Good. Okay, let's sit you up face towards Joseph. So you talked about feeling at home. When you walked into our office this morning, did you feel like you'd already been here?
Oh yeah, I feel like I was in.
You were at home.
Yeah, it feels like
Yep.
family, man.
Yeah, it is like family
It's
here.
like family, yeah.
Joseph and Renee and myself,
And
we're the
yourself,
same as
yes.
we are on YouTube, aren't we?
Yeah.
So what you see is what you get, right?
Right. That's right. Yes, sir.
And that's why we like it. That's why we do these videos.
Because
Because we don't purport anything different than what we're doing, and these are all non-scripted, right? You and I haven't talked about this video at all. There we go. Okay, let's stand up here. Face the mirror. Okay, now let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Yep, that's a lot better. Look at the spacing now, Raul.
Yeah.
See how that increased?
There's more space on my
That's
left
right.
side. Yes,
That's
sir.
right. So we're still going to bring this back a little bit and left. Now shift your pelvis right still. Look up. You'll feel a little tap right there. And another little tap right there. Okay, you can relax. Let's try that same thing again. Now that should have felt smoother. Look at it. You're right down the middle right now.
Yes. My head
Everywhere.
is
It's
center.
right in the center.
Right.
Yep. Your
Yes.
shoulders are level. Your hands are the same length. This is
My
more
hands
even.
are at the same
Yep.
height now.
So, would you tell people that are suffering with acid reflux and hiatal hernia anywhere in the world to come here?
I mean, it's worth it. I mean, I was waiting like probably 2 years to come here. I regret it.
Well, I'm glad
Yes.
you're here, and thank you for sharing your
Thank
story.
you for having me. All
You're
right?
welcome.
Thank you.
And we can help you with your acid reflux hiatal hernia naturally. We're not going to treat your acid reflux or hiatal hernia, but we're going to treat what causes it to happen in the first place. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We'll see you next time.